There we go. We got a Rookies and Stars 2013. Got a blaster of these. Sophia's excited like always. Sophia, are you excited? Oh! Why can't you get your little kid scissors? Yeah, she just dropped the scissors on my foot. Hopefully you didn't get the pokey part. There you go.
I get all the packages. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Santa. Is that what you say?
Thank you, thank you. Open! Daddy!
Oh.
I mean open the scissors. Daddy, those are all mine. Daddy, we each...
Do you have a thick pack? Shouldn't one of them be a thick pack, or is it a different box?
I don't have any thick packs.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not the paper.
Cool card.
Do you like this? Do you want the extra ones?
Ooh, I want the purple and blue ones. I want the purple and tigers. Tigers are super fun.
These are
This kind of heavy
the
pack.
kid reporter ones. No, actually, those are expired. Who cares if... Rookie card. Touchdown Club, Frank Gore. So you just want the purple one so fast?
And the blue one and the orange one.
I'll just put the you can pick out what you want at the end.
I want the blue ones, purple ones, and tigers. And these ones. And
What is this? What is this?
This one's mine.
Let me
My
see what
pile.
it is.
It's in my pile.
Oh wow, look at that card.
Daniel, that one's mine.
Richard Sherman, 24
Daddy,
passes
that
defense.
one's mine.
Well, I don't have that one yet.
Daddy, that one's mine. Mine.
Whose is it, Sophia?
Mine.
That's Sophia's bird?
And Daddy's bird. Daddy's bird and Sophia's bird.
That's quarterbacks.
And he got to
Ted and
say,
Bailey.
Daddy, you got to say the name for our channel.
Fuzzy Cat Channel. Sophia calls it Fuzzy Cat Channel.
That's our actual name. You have any of these
Oh,
cards?
something's upside down. Something's upside down. What do we get?
Leave it in the comments.
It's a shiny one.
That one goes. That's Daddy's board. That's
No,
both ours.
The rookie from the pack. Wait, let's make a nice, neat pile so it's easier.
Why does it come in every pack?
Yeah, I don't know why we need 6 million kid reporter things. Remember a few times last year people were trying to give the codes away.
That was not awesome. That wasn't cool. Whoever did that watched our channel. See ya!
Hey, beast mode.
That one's mine and yours, Daddy.
Game plans.
I see somebody backwards. Look, I found a backwards one.
Right.
I found it backwards.
Jordan Poyer, we got his autograph redemption, one of the other packs. What'd you get?
Mine.
Well, I'm putting them all in that pile.
Those are mine. Let's make a rainbow. Let's make a rainbow.
Getting me in there.
I'm trying to see have a Seahawk. They don't have a Seahawk on the pack. I can't see a Seahawk.
No, this is back when they thought RG3 was going to be the best ever, and he was still on stuff. Now everything's Russell Wilson.
Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
I have to sit in my chair.
Alright, NFL Nation, we got something.
This one's backwards.
Let's see what that is. James Jones.
I call him New Hot Rookie.
No, it's just an insert.
I call him a New Hot Rookie.
New Hot Wookie.
No, New Hot Rookie. New Hot Rookies! Cookies. We can make a Seahawk cookie for you.
Cookie Lacy.
My daddy's gonna have Seahawk cupcakes.
Yeah.
Russell Wilson number. Whoever, we don't live by Russell Wilson.
Well, something's shiny. I see something shiny coming. Oh, there we
This
go.
one's mine. It's mine and Daddy's.
Joseph Randall.
I'm gold and you're blue. Daddy, you just made me. Then my kid a poster. Daddy, get the open. It was
Okay,
2 packs
okay.
left. One's for my daddy.
Ooh, I gotta open a pack?
The first pack.
Yeah, those Crusade cards are really nice looking. Tebow!
Purple blue.
Something upside down.
What is it?
Another one of those shiny inserts. There's the rookie.
Seahawks.
Percy Harvin.
Seahawk.
Jimmy!
Daddy, I just got a
Okay, I got
Seahawk.
Harvin.
Daddy, that's my Seahawk.
There's Jimmy! 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 Marcus Davis. Is that all? I don't know. These are kind of pretty cards. At least the Crusade ones. And the others. Okay, yeah, nothing too bad. Okay.